Offense is the best defense for maintaining our lung health during the COVID-19 pandemic. During this pandemic time, it is important to not only stay home and work safely, it is also important to keep our lungs and immune system healthy to improve our body's ability to fight off the infection or illness. We know that the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19 disease obstructs respiratory pathways with very thick mucus. In order for medicines and treatments to work, the airways must be open and unblocked. This takes a number of days. In order to actively fight off any viral infection, including this COVID-2 virus, the best offense is healthy lungs. So, knowing about the parts of the respiratory system is the fundamental one to cure and send off this pandemic virus. So everyone should follow these precautions to protect us from this dreadful disease. Our respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues. That means the set of organs that help our breathing. The systems help our body to absorb oxygen from the air so that our organs can work. It is also clean the waste gases, that carbon dioxide from our blood. This system is called respiratory system. We are having 4 parts of our respiratory system. Number 1, nose. And nose with a pair of openings called nostrils. 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 Our nose having a pair of openings called nostrils. Number 2, windpipe or trachea. The trachea, commonly known as windpipe. It is a tube about 4 inches long and less than an inch in diameter. This trachea begins just under the larynx, that is voice box. The trachea begins just under the larynx, then divides into 2 smaller tubes called bronchi for each lungs. Bronchi is the plural one, bronchus is the singular one. It is divided into 2 for each lungs. Third part is a pair of lungs. How many lungs we are having? A pair of lungs. The sac-like lungs are located in the chest. They are protected by the rib cage. They occupy most of the space in the chest. Both lungs are not of the same size. The left lung is smaller than the right. Fourth one is an elastic diaphragm. An elastic diaphragm is a dome-like muscle below the lungs. This is the model for the dome shape. It is the structure of the diaphragm muscle. It separates the lungs from the stomach and intestine. It separates the respiratory system from the digestive system. It is the structure of respiratory system. The atmospheric air enters into the body through the nose or mouth and then travels into the windpipe or trachea. Finally, it reaches the lungs. Lungs purifies the air and expels the carbon dioxide as the respiratory waste.